Welcome to today's lesson. In this video, you'll experience two engaging conversations. One between an Indian boy and a British chef in a public setting, and another between a British boy and an American traveler. With both intermediate and advanced level dialogues, you'll improve your English skills while getting familiar with British and American accents. Stay tuned and enhance your learning.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, you can sit, but be ready to hear a sad story.
A sad story? Now I'm curious.
I'm a chef, but no one eats my food.
Oh no, that's the worst thing for a chef.
Exactly. But what about you? What do you do?
Oh, I'm a university student. I came here from India.
Nice. Which city?
Actually, I'm from a small village.
Oh, village life must be peaceful.
Yes, it's beautiful. Fresh air, green fields, and everyone knows each other.
Sounds amazing. Do you miss it?
Yes, I miss my home, my parents.
I understand. Being away from family is hard, but remember, they are proud of you. You are building your future.
Yeah, you're right.
But don't be too sad. Otherwise, I'll make you eat my special fire and fury pasta.
Oh no, I heard your food is dangerous.
Only for weak people. You look strong. Maybe you can survive it.
No thanks. I want to live a long life.
All right, enough talking. You must be hungry. Come, I'll cook something for you. Perfect. Buy some milk and eggs. I'll make something special.
Okay, but promise me it won't be too spicy.
I can't promise anything. Well, another night owl running errands this late? Didn't expect to bump into a university student at this hour.
Yeah, Sundays mess up my routine. Had to grab a few things before the week starts.
Ah, the great Sunday illusion, where we promise ourselves rest but end up running around instead.
You sound like someone who's been through this cycle 100 times.
Kid, I've seen more Sundays than I care to count.
By the way, you seem familiar. Have we met before?
Not you, but I met your friend Ayan this morning. Sweet kid, a little lost in the big city though.
That's Ayan for you. Fresh out of a small town, still adjusting to the fast pace of city life.
And you, city born and raised?
Yep. I love the energy of the city, but I get why Ayan misses home. It can be overwhelming.
You know, I've cooked for all sorts, rich, poor, city folks, village dreamers. At the end of the day, everyone's looking for the same thing.
And what's that?
A place where they feel they belong.
That's deep. I guess finding balance is the key, huh?
Life's like cooking, kid. Too many spices and you lose the real taste. Too bland and it's just boring.
That's an interesting way to put it.
Everything in life is about seasoning. Work, relationships, even dreams. If you overdo it, you'll burn out. If you don't add enough, you'll feel empty.
So what's the perfect recipe?
That, my friend, is for you to figure out.
Ethan, lifting his grocery bag. Well, my recipe for survival includes snacks for late-night study sessions.
Ah, the student diet. Instant noodles, energy drinks, and a blind hope that knowledge will magically enter your brain at 3 a.m.
Guilty as charged.
Well, if you ever want real food instead of packaged cardboard, you know where to find me.
I just might take you up on that. Thanks, Chef. Good night.
And you too, young man. Don't let the city swallow your spirit.